Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the truth behind the beauty products you're considering. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Youngblood Lipstick in Blushing Nude, a product that claims to not only enhance your lips, but also boost your overall appearance with skin-friendly ingredients. This lipstick comes in a 4-gene tube, offering a creamy, comfortable wear that's designed to complement various skin tones with its soft, neutral pink shade. But how does it hold up in terms of performance? Let's find out. When I first applied the Youngblood lipstick in Blushing Nude, the texture was immediately noticeable, rich and smooth. It glided on effortlessly, which made application easy and precise. I was impressed by how it didn't feel too heavy on the lips, nor did it dry them out, which is a common issue I've had with some other lipsticks. The formula has some key ingredients that are focused on hydration, which is a win for anyone who struggles with dry lips. The pigmentation is solid, but not over the top. It gives a natural, soft nude look, perfect for daily wear. If you're someone who likes bold, deep color, this might not be for you. However, if you're looking for a lipstick that enhances your lips without screaming for attention, Blushing Nude strikes that balance quite well. Now let's talk about how it performed throughout the day. The lipstick lasted a good 4 to 5 hours before I had to reapply, which is decent for a product in this category. Of course, it didn't survive through meals or heavy drinking, but for a more casual day or a work meeting, it did its job without needing constant touch-ups. The formula is also buildable, meaning you can layer it for more intensity if that's your vibe. So what are the pros and cons? The pros: it's very comfortable to wear with its creamy texture, which doesn't dry out the lips. The shade itself is universally flattering for a lot of skin tones. It's soft, feminine, and elegant. It's enriched with skin-friendly ingredients, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for a more hydrating lipstick. The cons? It doesn't have the best staying power, especially when eating or drinking. The color might not be bold enough for those who prefer a more dramatic lipstick. In terms of value for money, it's priced a little higher than drugstore options, but still within the mid-range for a higher-end cosmetic. Given the skin-friendly ingredients and the comfort it provides, I think it's a fair price, though if you're on a budget, you might find alternatives that offer similar wear and comfort. If you're looking for a lipstick alternative in a similar price range, products like MAC's Cream Sheen Lipstick or NARS Audacious Lipstick come to mind. They offer a similar creamy texture, although they might not be as focused on skin-friendly ingredients as Youngblood is. But if you're after a more affordable option, drugstore brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal have nudes that can deliver comparable performance. Now, in terms of build quality and longevity, the packaging is pretty standard for a mid-range lipstick, which is to say it's not flimsy, but it's nothing extraordinary. The lipstick has a sturdy feel and will likely hold up in your bag without breaking apart. As for customer support, I didn't need to contact them for any issues, but from what I've heard about Youngblood's reputation, their customer service is responsive and helpful should you ever run into any concerns. In conclusion, Youngblood Lipstick in Blushing Nude is a great option if you're looking for a neutral, everyday lipstick that feels comfortable and hydrating. While it might not last all day, it's perfect for those who prefer a natural look with the bonus of skin-friendly ingredients. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.